Hello, my name is Carmen Graham, and this is my first Prezi. I'm using Welcome Back Students as an example. This is more like a practice one. If you click here, you see that I made different themes that the children will be trying to execute during this term. Here we're going to focus on child growth and development, self-control lessons, and of course, parent-teacher community partnership. And each circle, green circle, has a different program and assignments that the children will do each term. You see here, click self-control, will have some activities designed for the children. And welcome all parents. We'll have play-based learning activities for toddlers up to 2 years old. Okay. And you go back to the overall program is my philosophy. And I believe that our children are from various nationalities deserve the best education teachers have to offer. This is a video that you can view. It's a little funny video and it demonstrates the parent-child communication, which is kind of cute. Here, you'll see more of the activities that the children will be participating in. Astrology, geography, sports, geometry, sciences, math and education as well. But we want to teach the children that learning is fun here at the Academy. Okay, this year our school theme will be cooking. Here you can see a demonstration